Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand this math problem.
I don't understand this math problem.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Can I help you clean up?
Can I help you clean up?
I have a question.
I have a question.
I have a question about the story.
I have a question about the story.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Can I borrow a pencil?
Can I borrow a pencil for the test?
Can I borrow a pencil for the test?
I need help.
I need help.
I need help cleaning the room.
I need help cleaning the room.
I forgot my homework.
I forgot my homework.
I forgot my homework at home.
I forgot my homework at home.
What's the answer?
What's the answer?
What's the answer to question number 2?
What's the answer to question number 2?
I like your drawing.
I like your drawing.
I like your drawing of the sun.
I like your drawing of the sun.
Can we play together?
Can we play together?
Can we play together at recess?
Can we play together at recess?
It's my turn.
It's my turn.
It's my turn to read aloud.
It's my turn to read aloud.
May I have some water?
May I have some water?
May I have some water, please?
May I have some water, please?
May I go to the nurse?
May I go to the nurse?
May I go to the nurse? I don't feel well.
May I go to the nurse? I don't feel well.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed.
I'm sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.